highway or any part of Pampanga. So, for me, I know, but especially now, we cannot deny that Mambanao has a negative story when it comes to women. Why? They were involved in this investigation in Senate, not only in Senate, also in Congress. And according to rumors, I don't know, under the law, if you evidence and facts, then I have no higher evidence that when they sign that, they do not know. And in fact, there is no letter of intent and other requirements. So it is very simple for me, as one of the constituent of Pampanga, that these things happen. That's why even have no money, I prepare to run. Because I got what the Lord said, bring this good news in the whole world. And remember, you will not bring anything except life. Meaning for me, He will provide everything if not practice. That is my encouragement in running.
Sir, kayo ay bago na rin sa mga nakaraang eleksyon.
Yes.
Ano yung patuloy na nag-uugit sa inyo na patuloy kayong lumalaban bilang mayor ng Bayan ng Pampanga?
You know, if you really love your community, you have to participate and to contribute for the welfare of the community. Do not just wait. Nagpunta sa'yo. Ang dating sa'yo. Tanda ka lang dati. Alam mo yung mabuti. Gusto mo, gawa ka ng kabutihan. Pero you are like a matches. Yung matches, yung posporo. May dala kang liwanag, pero you are still nandun ka sa bahay ng puto. Ayaw mo lumabas. Parang no matter how small your life can shed light in your community.
Sir, anong tsansa o ilang tsansa na kayo ay tatangkilikin ng mga pambalinsi?
Alam mo, sa sistema ng politika ngayon, nakita mo na ba yung isang barosel, yung malaki? Parang sinusuot sa mata ng krayon sa sistema ng politika. I have something to tell you. Ang nanalong councilor dito, 33 million pesos. What more if you will run? I think the other candidates, they are very much willing to spend more, even hundreds millions of pesos. But if you will only stand, you are only about to spend 10 pesos per year. How come you are preparing to spend much money? What is your intention? If your intention is good, why are you? Bakit hindi? Iwala sa sarili mo. Pag-halimbawa ako, dahil mapag-halimbawa ako, gugustuhin ka lang ng isang babae dahil binayaran mo. Are you happy? No, definitely. And you have no respect to the person. But if it is natural, one thing, you will respect what you done. That's why the things that invites me to work is my I don't care. If anyone do not want to believe what I'm saying, what is important, hindi ko dinadaya. Parang yung tao na dinadaya nila, yung gusto nila, yung hindi yung ginagawa nila. Meron ba sa konstitusyon na pwede mong ibeta mo?
Sir, yung iyong mga katunggalin ay former mayor,
Former mayor,
councilor, at KBC. No? Ano ang ilalaban ng isang Rudy Escoto?
may integrity, may reputation. At yung makayaw kung ano po. Kasi hindi ko sila hinahanap. I'm not challenging. Kung meron pang silang alam na gagawin maganda sa bayan natin, bakit natutulad sila? Nandiyan sila sa katungkulan eh. While they are still waiting the chance to be a mayor, nandiyan ka na eh. Di ba? It is only logical to say, nandiyan ka na, bakit ka kailangan? Kung gagawa ka lang ng pamilya. Ha? Ako, bakit? Meron akong maaaring masabi na kasi doon naman. Bakit? Yung most outstanding councilor for 9 years eh. And I challenge every citizens of Pampanga or voters of Pampanga. If they find my name board ako sa Corazon, if they prove it, I will pay 5,000 even. Meaning, I know what I did. So, yun ang nagpapalala sa amin.
Sir, mensahe natin sa ating mga kababayang Pambanense.
Okay? It's a good opportunity. My dear kababayan, kilala niyo po ako si Odis. Tinaguriang agamulak ng bayan ng Pambanense. Kung iniisip niyo yung mga ginawa ko ay nakabuti sa ating bayan, huwag na kayo pinakawa. Ang pagtakbo mo ngayon ay it is like a mission na ibinigay ng Panginoon. Paniwalaan nyo, tandaan nyo, pagka ako nanalo sa labang nyo, within 6 months, makakakita kayo ng ako. Maaaring mababa, makikita mo. Pero, one thing sure, the result in the future, this is small thing, it is for the welfare of our town. I don't want to lie. Why? I'm already old enough para sabihin ko yung hindi makakatulog. Alisin na natin yung sistema ng politika ngayon. Payabangan. Para bang sa isang nanliligaw, ang isang lalaki, nanliligaw ng isang babae, pasuyo-suyo, paduko-duko. But its intention is burinyang ka na natalangkang damo. Maraming tao ngayon na kunwari mga politiko, napakabait, napakabuti. Pero I can say, maybe they are on platform. They are not really true. Okay. Ano kaya yung boss ko kasi military training po eh. Kaya ako gagsuran ng mga politiko, kailangan sila mag-dito po clipping. Medyo banyoran. So mga kababayan, it's time to wake up. It's time to dumising na tayo sa katotohanan. Huwag tayong magtulog-tulugan. Ginagawa tayong gulubi ng iba. Gustong-gusto nyo lang binibigyan tayo. Nagmamano tayo. Let us give dignity ang pagkatao natin. No matter how poor you are, even you are the poorest person in the whole world. What is important, you have integrity. You have a good reputation in your community. So mga kababayan, napakalungkot kung tatawa-tawa pa kayo dyan. Malangin ka kasi niya, kung makunya, tanyaya ka buong boto. That is not part of the healthy politics.
Okay po, maraming salamat po, Odis Cotto.
Maraming salamat din sa inyo mga kapatid. Napaka-alagang bagay yung ginawa niyo. Why? Wala akong pera eh. Hindi ko mabayaran yan eh. Eh yung tama nakarinig yan eh. Baka gumising nga eh. Pagka nakagising yan.
Thank you po.
Okay? Thank you rin, mga kapatid. Nice meeting you. Kung nakatawa kayo dahil sa let us tingnan natin the essence of one.
Thank you po.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you po, thank you. Pwede sabihin mo na ako si mayor,
Okay.
tatakbong mayor.
Ako si Rudy Scotto, isang mamamayan ng Bamban, and I'm very proud tatakbo akong mayor. It is not for my own welfare, but to the welfare of my community, most especially the people of Bamban. Because now the people of Bamban deprived ng things na kailangan sana ng mamamayan. Anong sabi nila? Public office is a public trust. So therefore, if there is already doubt on your office, not only doubt, but beyond reasonable doubt. Under the law, if there is already a beyond reasonable doubt, wala na. You cannot appeal anymore to other court. Yeah? You cannot file motion for reconsideration because there is no anymore. Beyond reasonable doubt. Walang kaduda-duda. Sinong magsasabi na nadisgrasya lang ang Bamban pero hindi totoo yan? No. Nakakaya tayo. It is very shameful not only in the Philippines but in the whole world.
Excuse me, anong partido po natin?
KBL.
Thank you, KBL.
Kilos ang bagong lipunan. Ngayon papalitan ko konti. Kilos ang bagong leader.
Ayos, okay. Thank you, God bless you.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Yeah.